The clock strikes midnight. While the world sleeps, Sarah in Seattle is wide awake, staring at her phone in disbelief. A denied claim? How could this be? Like a superhero sensing danger, Tars springs into action. Hello, Sarah, I'm Tars. Let me take a look at your claim. In seconds, Tars reviews Sarah's policy details and claim data, a feat no human could match. But Tars knows when it's time to call for backup. I've expedited this to my colleague Kathy. She'll get to the bottom of this right away. A relieved Sarah smiles. Help is on the way. Across the country, Peter wakes up with a start. As customer experience leader, he knows denied claims lead to disgruntled customers. Tars analyze recent denials. Let's address this proactively. Tars deploys its AI, detecting a pattern of insufficient documentation. Peter acts decisively, updating the chatbot with handy tips. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. The next morning, Sarah checks her phone and sees a text from Tars. Don't forget to renew your policy today. Tars has saved the day again. With Tars' AI-powered sidekick, Peter has transformed his company into a true customer champion. Because sometimes, insurance is about more than policies, it's about people.